Yo, yo! Ooh-wee. So I'm over here about to check out this duplex. Over here on the east side. Block a little rough, but as you can see, that house tore down. I think that house is vacant. I don't know, look like all of them vacant over there. That one all the way at the end, I believe that's a land bank house, might be, I'm not sure. The third from the end is definitely boarded up. The fourth from the end is boarded up. I don't know, I don't think nobody in none of them houses. I'm not sure. This one though, this one look rough too. Asking $49,000. Look like it need a roof. Oh wee. $49,000 for a duplex. Basically 25 a unit. Man. Alright. At least the porch is new. So somebody taking somewhat care of it. This one open. I'm gonna do this one first. Oh wow. Yo, yo! Alright, I think we're good. Okay. There we go. Sound like a window busted out. Man, they got the classic scent. How the snow? Oh, the back door is open. Where'd this go to? The door is warped. Got the frozen Hawaiian punch. So I need a roof. Damn. Okay. Glasses ain't transition yet. I can't see nothing. What the It's cold. Alright, so this is the first unit. Horrible. I'm looking at like, whew. I don't know, man. Like, let me think. Kitchen about 4,000. Another 2,500 for the bathroom. Paint. Probably looking at about 7,000 for paint or more. Probably like 10,000. You gotta scrape all this stuff. Yeah, this is about 10,000. Repair the roof. This, I don't know if it's hardwood under here or what. I'm assuming it is. But oh, it is hardwood. So yeah, I would keep the hardwood for sure. Definitely wouldn't do carpet no more. I'm thinking, let me see. So 10, what's that? 16.5. Redo the floors, probably another what? Probably about 20. Actually, it's probably about 2,500 to redo the floors. What's the 19? Then got the. Okay, then the doors. We could repaint the doors. All new lights and ceiling fans. So that's probably about another what? 300. So basically, just for this unit, probably looking at about 25,000, 20 to 25,000. Cause I don't even know nothing about, I don't even know how the plumbing laying. If there's any plumbing problems, then probably electrical problems. Probably looking more like 30,000. Let's go see the other unit. Hopefully it's better than this one. Put my sexy specs back on. All right, here we go. Man, this is rough. Nope, so I guess this one might be, can't be rented out because I'm missing the door knob. But judging from that one, that unit, no go. I will have to get this bad boy for 20,000. It's paying 50, and then put another 30 in it. That's 80. But I'm sure the second unit probably looks similar. And it need a roof. That's about 5,000, 6,000 for the roof. I need a new paint job. That's another probably 6,000, 7,000. For the exterior, nah. I have to get that bad boy for 20,000. Ain't none of these dang on houses got nobody living in them. Well, some of them do, obviously. You got cars there, but that one, the last 1, 2, 3 of the last 4 houses on the corner, off the corner, is vacant. You got one, that one's vacant. This one I hope is vacant, because it's damn near about to fall apart. So this is the second house on my list to see today. It's another duplex, but good lord, the pictures definitely don't look like this. Windows are gone. All the windows are gone except for that one. And then they got 2 different brickwork. Oh, can somebody explain to me what the heck? Why did they do this with the 2 different bricks? I'm assuming one brick was cheaper than the other, so they put the expensive brick on the front. I don't know. So I might not even have to go in. See right through the house. Oh, the fire damage. Glass block windows. Yeah. Let's go in and check it out. Might as well. I drove 30 minutes to get here. Feet cold. How much is this one? I think they're asking 50 for this one too. But why? Freaking porch falling apart. How much they asking for this one? No, 60. They're asking 60 for this bad boy. Goodness. What's that? Another door. Man, it stinks here. Smells like smoke and mold. Floor is buckling. Look, well, I don't know. I suppose the fire came from the kitchen. Turn my light on. This is the plywood. Okay, so all this is burnt up. I know that. It looked like the fire started here, but how did the fire start by the bathroom? How do I get upstairs? There's bird poop everywhere. And feathers. Damn. And it stinks. What's behind this door? More birds. More bird feathers. The cleanest room in the house. And it ain't even a bedroom though. It ain't got no closet. It's just a room. It's supposed to be the punishment room. Like go in the room and watch everybody else play outside. That's what my mom used to do. Torture. Nowadays kids wouldn't care. Like, I don't care, I ain't going outside anyway. I'm playing video games. So my mom go to work. PlayStation time. This is the doozy here. 60,000. Can't do it. This is full. See, they started some work. I got some new 2x4s over there. Look like they did the roof, or they started the roof. Got new insulation. So they did some work, but they ain't do much. They didn't do much at all. Guess they figured it's too much work for them. I feel you. This is handrail, these little steps. I was praying while they was working. Asking Jesus to help renovate. Okay. Holy moly. See what I'm saying? Almost went through there. Yeah, this house, man, this is at least something like this is about, man, at least $80,000 to renovate. They did do a roof though, so it don't need a roof. You just need new windows, new drywall, everything. You need everything basically. Yeah, I ain't trying to pay no $80,000 for a renovation. And then they want 60. $140,000 invested, and it's 2 units. Nah, I couldn't pay no more. I don't want to pay no more than 50 a unit. So I would have to be all in at 100 on this one, because you're gonna get what, 1,500? No, it's a 2-bedroom. It's 2 and 2, so you can get like 1,200 a month each. So that's 2,400. Mortgage on, if you was to refinance to do the Bird method, on 100,000, you're paying what, like $700 a month, including taxes and insurance. So you, after that, I mean, I guess it'd be a decent little amount of passive income if you're getting $2,400 a month. But man, it's risky. I don't know.